This is the VEILZOR Backlit Ergonomic Keyboard and Mouse for Windows. The company sent me this product for review, but everything I see in this video is going to be my own opinion. And this is how it arrives right here. Inside the packaging, you are going to get the keyboard itself, the receiver, which is on the back of this, and I'll show you. You get the user manual, which has all of the functions in here and tells you everything you need to know how to use it. It's pretty simple. And you get about a 3-foot long USB to Type-C charging cable because these are rechargeable devices. Then the cool thing about this is it's a 2-in-1 receiver. So this one USB that comes on the back of the keyboard here works for the mouse and the keyboard. So that's actually one of my favorite things about this. And while I've got it flipped over in the back here, I want to show you that it has rubber feet. We've got 3 on the bottom, 2 right here. These are flip-up tabs, and cool thing is these flip-up tabs have little rubber feet on them too, which I like because I use the feet on this. You can see that it has a nice ergonomic wrist pad on it too right here. We got an on-off switch. They say that it can work up to 10 meters away. I have no need for that, but what I do every day is I'll take this keyboard, flip it over, and put it on my lap. I use the mouse actually on my couch. So far, it's been working great on just a flat wooden surface here, and I also use it on my couch about 5 feet away, and it works just great. Picks it up no problem at all. The charging port of the mouse is located right here, and the charging port of the keyboard is located right here, and you can use them both while they're charging. After 10 minutes, they go into sleep mode, which is fine. You just hit a button or move it, and they wake right up and start working. Okay, going over the keyboard real quick. The thing I really like about this is that it has this tray right here where you can set a phone in or a tablet. Now, I've got a tablet with an OtterBox cover on it that's kind of thick. It won't fit in there, but if that cover wasn't on there, it would fit in there just fine. You can set it this way or that way. Neat idea. Another thing I like about this is, like I said before, I swing around and I'll watch TV and I can grab it right here and not have to worry about hitting a button. Big escape button. When I'm actually using the keyboard, Randy is typing. It's very soft to the touch. It's not loud at all. There's no clacking of keys going on, which I like. And the same thing with the mouse. It's a quiet mouse. We've got play and pause, rewind, fast forward, volume, mute, volume up, volume down. Typical keyboard setup. You've got your F1 through F12, and if you hit the function button, basically the same stuff that's up here. You've got copy, cut, and paste up here, and a calculator. You hit that in the calculator. It works on mine. You can hit this button to bring up your folders, search, refresh, and a home button. With this rubber feet, I like that it doesn't move around a lot. That's kind of cool. We've got the number pad over here. We've got a number lock light. We've got a caps lock light. And when you plug this in to charge it, this light lights up right here to let you know that it's working. One of the cool things about this too is it's red, green, and blue backlit, and it has a variety of different colors on here, forming off of red, green, and blue. If you hit the function key and you hit insert, that turns the light off and on the keyboard. If you hit the function key and you hit home, it scrolls through the different various features that it has. One of the light features on here is where it changes colors and kind of rolls across the keyboard, which is kind of cool. You can adjust the speed to make it go faster. I think there's 3 settings, or make it go slower. And you can also adjust the brightness of each of the backlit settings. On the mouse, it's just an on-off switch, charging on the bottom. We've got sliders here, and this button on the bottom, if you just press this button, it cycles through, I think, 22 different colors. Just your typical mouse. We've got a speed button on the top. You can do 3 different speeds on it. Roller wheel, back and forward right here on the side. All in all, I like the feel of the keyboard. I like the ergonomic wrist pad. That's a plus for me. It's lightweight. It's rechargeable. It's got rubber feet on it, so it doesn't slide around. Everything I need is right here in front of me. I like that I can have a Zoom call or watch a video right here from the front of my keyboard. This is something I didn't know that I needed. I like the mouse, I like the distance on the mouse, and I like the cool backlit feature. I just think it's kind of neat. There you go, very nice. I like it.